Today, guys, we are going go-karting at
Anchor Speedway.
Yes, we are super excited. It's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be so much fun. The track looks so good, and I can hear the go-karts going. They sound fast.
They are going pretty fast. So we're gonna hop into a go-kart and we're gonna race each other.
Let's see who wins.
See who wins.
Everyone, today we're in Siem Reap and we're going to show you some alternative things you can do instead of Anchor Wat, or as well as.
Yes, and we are just beside Anchor Wat and we're going to go for some breakfast at a place called the Muffin Man.
Yeah, it's really good. We've actually been before and we are hungry, so I'm excited. Let's go.
So let's go. Yes. Okay, now we have arrived at Muffin Man.
Let's see what we can get to eat.
I'm excited. Okay, so we've got menus, so we're just gonna have a quick look. We've got a great selection. They've got lots for breakfast, toasties. It's very Western. Just
yeah,
to let
it's
you know.
Western food.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go up to order, but we are gonna get the avocado toast and the blueberry, coconut, and chia seed pot pudding. And then I think we're gonna get a passion juice and maybe an orange juice too.
Let's go. Oh,
Sweaty.
sweaty.
Tuesday. Let's get a avocado toast, a cone, and a blueberry. Yeah, thank you. And then to drink, can we have a passion juice and apple juice as well, please? Thank you. Okay, ta-da. This is the apple juice. Apple juice is my favorite juice.
Yummy. Good. Thank you so much.
There we go. Taste test. Appley. Wow, that's actually really like. That's giving cloudy apple.
That's real apple. We've actually
real.
just cut some apples and blended them up. I like that.
Cheat now.
Cheat.
Much. Thank you.
That's so
wow. Thank you. Good. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks pretty tasty.
Look at that. So we got avocado toast and then a chia seed pudding.
Yeah.
Look how much fruit you get on it.
And you get some granola. I'm not too sure what this is.
Some sort of jam.
Yeah.
Holy.
Holy.
Holy moly.
We're gonna share this. We're gonna do a bit of
Yeah, we're
half and
gonna
half.
do a bit of each.
But first of all, I think I need a bite of that avocado toast.
Can I put some lime on mine?
Yeah, of course.
I love that.
It's got Parmesan cheese on it. Oh my
A bit
god.
random, but I like that. Is it yummy?
That's good.
I honestly think you should put some lime on that. That's
Oh,
really
really?
good with the lime.
Fine.
Guys, we love Khmer food and we love trying all of it, but this is a little bit of home for us. Your basic white girls need some avocado on toast sometimes, okay?
And it is good.
Why have you got a fork? You don't have a spoon.
You don't have a
Alright,
spoon.
that's okay.
Right. Dive in.
Dive in. Right, I'm gonna try and get a little bit of everything. Ish. Okay, look at that mouthful. Delicious. So we've got chia seed, mango, dragon fruit, granola.
Apple. Right, ready?
Cheers. Cheers. That's good.
Whoa,
That granola is really good.
that coconut. Whatever.
Yummy.
That is probably the best chia pudding I've ever had.
Whoa.
I know, big statement, but I honestly think it's true.
Yeah, that's yummy. I like it a lot. And they had loads of stuff on the menu as well. They had like French toast, pancakes, toasties. Like it was a really big menu.
Muffins. Right, we're gonna eat this, but we'll get back to you after.
So we finished our breakfast. It was super yummy.
So
We're
good.
feeling full and energized now.
Ready for the day?
Now we're going to do some exciting activities.
We are.
So let's see what activities we can find to do today.
Hi guys, we've just arrived at Anchor Speedway where we're going to be go-karting, but here they've got so many options on activities. You can do archery, golf, zip line.
Yeah.
I think you can walk through like a lovely garden and everything like that. They've got so many options.
We're excited.
We're very excited. It's going to be fun. Okay, so we've just got our tickets and now we've got to get our, what is it?
Helmets.
Yeah.
Yeah, safety first.
Safety first. Helmets and I think a hairnet, and then we're off to race each other.
Who's going to win, guys?
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Comment below. This girl. No. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. Whoa.
That look pretty. Oh, okay. I don't know which one.
Thank you. We're about to operate on someone.
We look like lunch ladies. Like this. Wow.
Yes, there we go. Already. F1. I am Lewis Hamilton.
F1, yeah.
Okay guys, we're about to go onto the racetrack and begin our races.
Yeah, I've not driven a go-kart in years.
Yeah, so this is going to be fun. It's got quite busy all of a sudden, so we're going to have some competition on the racetrack.
8-year-old boys.
Yeah,
Let's go.
we're going to win, obviously. Get them out of the way. No, I'm just joking.
Right, let's get into our go-karts.
Thank you. Cool.
Okay, cool.
Stop made for Berlin. Okay, guys. Right, I'm in my car and I'm gonna drive. Where do you drive?
Flashback.
F1. I am Lewis Hamilton.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so ready. I'm gonna beat Megan so well, and I'm actually very excited. My car. Woo!
I'm so excited. We're about to race. Let's see who wins. I'm excited. I'm feeling a bit of adrenaline. Let's go fast. I want to go fast. Rachel. I think Rachel is a fast driver at home. I don't know if I can beat her, to be honest, but I'm going to try my best. Okay? Woo! finished the race. I don't know who won it. Maybe it was a tie.
Let's shake on it. It was a draw.
It was a tie.
But guys, that was insane. You actually go pretty fast.
Yeah, you go
on
really
them.
fast. We were like skidding around the corners.
Honestly, all the time I was singing Mario Kart Wii.
Yeah.
I felt like I was in Tokyo Drift. I was doing some insane. But I bet on camera it doesn't even look like you're going fast.
Probably looks so
but
slow,
it was so fun.
Yeah, it was so
Got
fun.
a bit sweaty in there, but it was so worth it. Honestly, guys, this is a fun activity.
Yeah, I would
to
really
do.
recommend people to come
Get
here.
yourselves down here right now.
It's not too far out of the city centre, maybe about 40 minutes or so, but you could get a grab easy.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd really recommend it, especially on like, a day where you've seen everything, all the tourist stuff, you want something else to do.
And you want something a bit adrenaline.
Yeah, a bit exciting,
Yeah, exactly.
Okay guys, the next activity is archery. So we're gonna have bow and arrows.
Yes.
We've
got 20 of them.
Yeah, we've got 20 arrows, and the target is
the middle.
The middle, bullseye.
The bullseye.
It's 10 meters away, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I've only done archery like
a couple times.
Don't have very good aim.
We're going to do a bit of a competition as well to
Yeah.
see who can get closest to the middle.
Yeah.
So
let's see who wins.
Okay, so we're just waiting to get our bows and arrows
gloved up as well.
Gloved up for protection, because I'm pretty sure when you ping it,
yeah, you're supposed to
it might scratch your arm.
It's supposed to go against your arm, I think.
For the safety.
At home we have a really small bow. This is like, I feel like Olympian style bow. So I'm kind of scared.
We used to do this at like on school trips when we were like 10 years old.
I don't know why.
And I don't know how they trusted 10-year-olds with bows and arrows.
Yeah. Pull it back,
right
this one. This right one. She made a good guess that you were right-handed. That's a really beautiful glove.
This is the strangest glove I've ever worn.
You're giving the Michael Jackson a little bit.
Okay. It's feeling good. It's feeling supported. Or something. It's feeling like I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, ready?
Wait, can we go?
Huh?
Can we go with them? Oh!
It just picked off.
Mine just went far, I don't know where.
Right.
Okay, I did not hit the target.
Right, so far,
we need to
1
practice.
out of 25. 0. Oh!
Did you get it?
I hit the bottom.
Oh!
Okay. The very, very bottom.
No.
Okay, so I think you gotta aim up a little bit, do you?
Up the way.
Yeah.
Is that what it is? Ooh. Tell me your secrets. This one I'm gonna get.
What? That one went flying. Oh gosh, that went miles away.
Oh my! Have you got? So you've officially got 2 on the board, Ray?
Yeah, I've got 2.
I've officially got 0 on the board.
Oh my gosh! Right, I'm not doing a very good job.
Nope. Everywhere but the board, guys.
I feel like the wind is.
Oh yeah, it's the wind for sure.
Oh.
No!
Guys, this is going to be a hard watch.
People at home are just going to be like, that is not how you do archery.
Okay.
Right. I'm locking in. Oh! Maybe I need to move this way a bit. Nope. Not a single one on the board, guys.
Top.
Nope. Nope.
Oh yes.
Oh,
that was
like that was so close. So
that
close, but yet really,
that went
really far away. Nope. Ooh. They're just going straight over. Okay, which means I must need to aim down. Did you just get one? Well done.
Hit the middle to me.
Like
you think
that.
I'm right? This is me hitting the middle. Manifest it.
It hit. It touched it. Oh, sorry.
That was the middle, actually. Just.
Did you get a bullseye?
That was pretty close.
Okay. Nope. Still.
Come on, Megs. You can do this.
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Oh!
Maybe you're going up too high.
But I try and do lower. Right.
Let me put this down.
Right. Let me try one more time. And then it's free for all. Right. No.
Lower, Megs, lower. Yes!
I only did it because Binrad
Yay.
basically did it for me. Teamwork makes
Teamwork,
teamwork.
exactly.
Thank you, Binrad.
Last one.
Okay, the last arrow.
Yay!
Kiss it. For good luck. Okay. This one is definitely going to hit the target, guys.
It's going bullseye.
Hang, 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 hang. Up. Okay?
Yay! That was bullseye.
Maybe 2 out of 25. I would say that's not that bad.
No, I think it's actually
Professional level,
professional.
maybe?
Maybe go to the Olympics.
Maybe go to the Olympics.
Do it.
Clear winner though.
No.
Ray Charles here. Well done. Clap, clap. Babang off.
But that was fun, guys. That was good.
Yeah, that was
It's
so
very
much
like
fun.
chill here, so it's quite easy to concentrate as well. You just come and shoot some arrows, and then
Yeah, you don't have to
become
be
a professional.
Yeah, I was literally about to say you don't have to be professional. You can just have fun. But also, if you want to take it
Yeah,
seriously,
you
there's
can.
people here
Yeah,
that are like
100%. They'll
really
help you out.
concentrating.
Yeah. It was good though. It's good fun.
Yeah, it was really good, and it's right next to the go-karting.
Yeah,
So,
so-
and they have
Golf.
is it mini golf or
Yeah.
like putting or something golf type thing?
So many things here.
yeah. So,
So
you could
good.
spend like a whole afternoon here.
A whole
Quite
day.
fun, yeah. Okay, guys. So that's us finished our activities for the day. We had so much fun, didn't we?
Oh, guys, so much fun. You have
Yeah.
to come check it out. It was so good.
Yeah.
The go-kart and the archery, everything like that was amazing.
yeah,
so
for
good.
sure.
And also, we would like to give a special shout out to the place that we've been staying at. We'll put it here.
Here, it's
It's
so
been
nice.
amazing.
It's so nice. Look at the pool.
Everything.
And the room
So
is so
comfy.
good, AC, perfect. It's lovely,
Perfect.
and the staff are so kind. So
Yes. So thank you so much for watching.
thank you, Akunchara.
Akunchara. Bye.
Chop kiniya.